A school bus for $6,500. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm still in the Dodge Caravan. They said the part for my van hasn't come, so I am still in the Dodge Caravan. But I was driving by and I found this school bus, this Skoolie, and I thought about it and I took pictures. I'm gonna put some pictures up. Could I drive? Who?
I have him on the phone.
Oh yes, he want to sell it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me talk to him. Excuse me. That was such a coincidence. Here I am looking at this school bus, and I went into both businesses, the business behind me and the car shop in front of me, and I had gotten conflicted answers. But anyway, somebody came out and they got the guy on the phone, and he said this bus runs really good. He's asking for $6,500. He's asking for $6,500. I'm sorry if you all hear the wind going, but some great talk to him. I told him if I was to do a Skoolie, it would definitely have to be a smaller Skoolie. But I am going to inquire about this. And if any of y'all want it, I'm here in Ohio. $6,500. With a vehicle like that, you would have to do some compare shopping. Like, is that a good price? How does it run? He said it runs like a champ. He said, in fact, he was thinking about not converting it, but converting it to a living space. He said he just got so busy working though. So I'm going to go back here and just look in it. This thing is massive, like huge. Look how big this thing is. But this is your home. This would be your home. For $6,500, this could be your home. This thing is massive. And yeah, I met a lady who I toured. I met several people, and she said she put about 10K in it. But even if 10K, 6,500, you're still looking at $16,000 for your home. And if you had somebody with land or property where you could live on there or something like that, and plenty of people are doing that, this may be a steal. I really, really like it. I know for me, honestly, this thing is too big. It is. I'll give up comfort for a smaller, like a minivan. I really will. But anyway, Matt is on his way up here. I have low battery time, but I will let you all know. If he lets me interview him, I'm doing it. Take the Dre route. How would I turn this thing? So like, how would I know? Is there like you know how like a tow truck I have, like, or a semi truck, they have like a thing on there that like you look at through your mirror?
Well, it would definitely be checking your mirrors. Just always check your mirrors when you make a turn. Anytime you make a lane change, you always want to check your mirrors. But it's honestly, it's not as bad as it looks.
It doesn't look bad. I'll show you really fast. I was up at Skoolie UP. People had laid those school buses out.
I'm not talking about the inside. I mean like the driving portion.
Oh, you say it's not bad? Okay. My aunt is a bus driver because it looks scary as heck.
It's more scary just because you probably haven't driven something like this yet.
Okay.
But like, if you I can't like take you out to drive it right now. But
that's okay.
If you got like time later on today.
Well, what about I will go for a ride. I don't know if I can do it today. I'll see. Can I get your number?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I would I would drive it. My aunt drives a school bus.
Yeah.
So she got over. I mean, they did like formal training or whatever, but look at all these gadgets.
Everything works, dude.
What would you think about living in it? Like, how would you?
That was my plan.
No, but parking it. How would you figure out to park it?
So there's truck stops, parking lots. I mean,
cause like with a minivan, I'm so stealthy. This is a rental, but River's Edge Collision has my home.
Right.
And I'm like, yeah, I got my home. I mean, this Dodge River, I live in that thing.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
So definitely.
Stealth wise, it's not that bad. I wouldn't think. As long as you're not there for a long period of time. If you're there for like overnight, then move about.
I know, kind of do it, but what I would do is get some land, like
that would be clutch.
Like or either rent some land, like that would be cheaper. Because if you completely own it, how much to fix it? I had somebody tell me 10K
to fix.
Look at his earrings, y'all. Nice earrings. Isn't that nice? Is that an illusion or is it really your ear?
Oh no, that's really it.
I met a lady at Skoolie UP, and she said she had to keep restarting over.
Like, my first time I did it,
you start over.
Infected and it got swollen.
That's what her. But hers is like huge, like this. Look, it's like this, y'all.
Big.